To set up Google Analytics 4 effectively, start by creating a new property in your Google Analytics account. This will be the foundation of your data collection and analysis. Choose the Google Analytics 4 option and follow the setup wizard to create your property. Next, you need to set up your data stream. This can be done by adding a website or app data stream. For a website, you will need to add the Google tag to your site, which can be done manually or through Google Tag Manager. For an app, you will need to use the Firebase SDK. After setting up your data stream, you should configure your data retention settings. This determines how long your user-level data will be stored. You can choose a retention period from 2 to 14 months, or you can choose to not automatically expire your user-level data. It is also essential to set up your reporting identity. This determines which user identifiers are used to create user reports. You can choose between device, user, or a combination of both. To get the most out of Google Analytics 4, you should also set up your events and parameters. Events are user interactions with your site or app, such as page views or button clicks. Parameters provide additional context about these events, such as the page title or button label. In addition, you should also set up your conversions. Conversions are the actions you want your users to take, such as filling out a form or making a purchase. By setting up your conversions, you can track the effectiveness of your marketing efforts and make data-driven decisions. Finally, it is crucial to verify your Google Analytics 4 setup. This can be done by checking your real-time reports to ensure that data is being collected correctly. You should also test your events and conversions to ensure they are tracking correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up Google Analytics 4 to provide you with accurate and actionable data about your website or app. This will enable you to make informed decisions and optimize your marketing efforts to achieve your goals.